Hi, my name is Noemi Hernandez Alexander, and I am your professor for this class. Welcome. I wanted to introduce myself to you, give you a little bit of background about me. I am a political scientist by trade. My subfield of interest is the politics of race and ethnicity and how that plays out specifically in the US. However, I teach history and political science courses here at CBU. I wanted to also kind of bring up some questions that often come up through the course of during the course. So I wanted to go over some of those things with you. One is keep in mind my office hours are posted on the syllabus. I always try to make an appointment because I'm over at the Park Plaza offices, and students don't have access to our offices without checking in first. So always call me so that I can expect you. The other is, of course, I'm always available virtually by phone and even more available by email. The other thing I really want you to do is to go into your syllabus and to make note of the late policy. This is a no late work accepted course, and so it's very important that you get work in on time. Please read the late policies and communicate with me if there are any extenuating circumstances. Also, one of the major problems that we have at OPS is students have some glitches with their computers, and often they're not really glitches at all. I want you to notice on this screen, I have a course up. It's the first week in learning activities, and what you'll find is that I use a lot of videos, and sometimes you will go into learning activities and you will see a blank screen. That is because your computer has blocked what it deemed as unsafe content. Because much of what I record is recorded on YouTube, your computer will often assume that it's unsafe. So you can't see it here because I had already clicked on it, but up here in your URL pane, either up here or over here, there'll be something, whether you're using Chrome or Safari or Firefox, there will be some type of shield or blocker. I want you to, every time you go into learning activities, unblock your blocker, allow unsafe script. It'll say that there's unsafe script. Go ahead and allow the unsafe script. Go ahead and allow the pop-ups. Go ahead and allow the external content. And then go to this button right here to refresh your page. You may not always get the right response if you refresh up here. So refresh within Blackboard, and then you'll be able to see videos and whatnot. That should fix your problem. And try not to get frustrated because you might have to do this every time you go into the learning activities folders because the computer will default to your settings. The other thing that's important to note is to use the best browser for Blackboard. We have noticed that the absolute best browser for Blackboard is Chrome because there are plugins, and there is, I believe it's like a QuickTime Flash. I think it's Flash that's is embedded within Chrome. So usually videos and media content moves a little quicker on Chrome. So the number one browser is Chrome. Number two is Firefox. Number three it would be Safari. And absolute last and least effective is Internet Explorer. So if you can stay away from Internet Explorer, you'll be less frustrated with Blackboard. Those are the main things I really wanted to discuss with you. Any other things, please feel free to contact me. Thanks.